Welcome friends. Today it's a very interesting day. So if we observe Bank Nifty has been strong gap up and we have a sort of gapping area. This is a typical gapping area. Okay, actually yesterday closed price this level, okay, around 38,515, but today opened gap up nicely, but this gap got filled. Okay, in 5 minutes let's see what exactly price did within the zone. Slowly they have started rolling down to this gap and gap got filled. And again, if we go for 15 minutes time frame, okay, so this is the resistance of the day high. I mean, market started rolling from 38,780. Of course, market is it is like a bullish mode, and again they came back into this zone. The zone is like around 20 points zone, and again started rolling down to the towards the support, but again it's closed below the opening price. Definitely, okay, some sort of profit booking is happening at higher levels, I can say. Tomorrow is expiry. Okay, it can be an interesting, because today all together they have eaten all the premium call premiums. Okay, I hope tomorrow they can continue to the upside. That is what I am expecting. And if we go for daily time frame, this is like a kind of hanging man. Of course, I am not considering this as a hanging man, because we need little bit extended lower wick, but seems to be a hanging man at these levels. Okay, I haven't seen any aggressive selling today. Hope tomorrow they can continue to the upside. Till then we need to watch these levels. These levels are very, very important. In 15 minutes we have seen some sort of support at these levels, like 38,500 odd levels. Okay, let's watch these levels, how they are going to take at these levels. Okay, are they going to take the support, or else they are going to break down these levels? This is a very important level to watch for tomorrow. Meanwhile, if we want to draw a trend line like this, okay, so this is another dimension. Okay, I am expecting if they wanted to continue to the upside, even they can squeeze the move, okay, within the range, and they can fire to the upside also. As of now, there is no big shorts added, okay, through the open interest also. So I am expecting a strong move in couple of days. Okay, let's see what is going to happen tomorrow. Of course, tomorrow is an expiry day. Most of the time expiry days will be like consolidation. Okay, but today they have taken long consolidation, but everybody expected a strong move to the upside. Most of the people taken longs, okay, based on the momentum, but today they have eaten all the premiums of the calls. Okay, let's wait for tomorrow, and till then, take care. Thank you.